The US dollar. It's a big day today. We've got the non-farm payrolls numbers. But ahead of that, obviously, we've seen a little bit of cooling in the dollar. It's still remaining. Remember, I said keep an eye on this range yesterday. We're capped to the upside, 101.50. We're capped to the downside at 101, a tight range. And obviously, the explosive breakout is going to come today. Now, I've broken down a number of scenarios via the KenMacro desk, but I'm going to give you a very, very quick insight. Now, yesterday we had Kevin Warsh speaking. He said, like, he wasn't as hawkish as he could have been because he just said that inflation risks have come down, understandably, because we've seen oil prices coming down. Oil prices come all the way back down to pre-war levels, and how we've had a de-escalation. So those are the risks that he's noting, because obviously if that comes down, then eventually inflation is going to start potentially coming down at some point. You know, it depends how much the US economy cools. Now, yesterday we had some slight soft data. When you look, slight softening of data. I'm not going to go on and on into that, but today's obviously the key. Okay, now if obviously these numbers do cool, if they cool, then obviously the rate probability is going to drop. Remember, we looked about, if you look via the CME, the Fed Watch Tool, you look via the CME, it's all about July pricing, because we know September, there's a high probability of a rate hike, a reasonable probability that was already priced in after the decision, but obviously that could ramp up even further. My computer's really lagging out here. Yeah, so September, October, December, but it's all about July. Okay, July probability. And the only way this jumps up is if today's numbers are hot. If today's numbers are cool, that's going to drop, and then you're probably most likely going to see some selling for the dollar up until the CPI figure, which is due middle of the month. Okay, so if the numbers are bullish, we're going to break out this range, and then we're going to play to the upside. So your upside scenario will be bam, bam, bam. Push the upside, be drawn into that liquidity. Downside, obviously, we've got the next major area of liquidity back at sort of 150, 100. Full playbook as I give to the community, KenMacro desk buys. If you want ongoing analysis, trade ideas, all that good stuff, education, you can check out, you can get access to the KenMacro desk. There's a link below. You can also get access to it for free with one of our partner brokers. Other than that, I'll catch you next one.